Hi students, how are you all? I hope all are safe at your home. Stay home, stay safe. Today in this video, I am going to teach 8th class English. So in the previous videos of English, 8th class English, I have taught first unit and first lesson, the tattered blanket. And in this video, you are going to see one of the discourse related to that lesson, the tattered blanket. So let us see, the discourse is essay writing. So all of you are very familiar about writing an essay, but I am reminding you by giving some of the hints how to write an essay. So to write an essay, we have to first start with a proper introduction of the topic. So before writing an essay, you have to first write the introduction of the topic very nicely. Okay, the first impression is the best impression. So that's why if you are going to any essay competition, or you are going to some other competitions, you are participating in our Ignite Fest also, the essay writing. So first of all, whenever anyone evaluates your paper, the first impression should be best impression. So the introduction of the topic should be very, very, very beautiful. Okay, you have to introduce the topic nicely. Why you are writing this topic, why you are presenting this topic here, and what about the topic, you have to introduce the topic. Okay, next, second is the body of the essay or content. So you have to give a detailed information about the topic. Detailed information here I am saying means the background of the topic, present, what is the position of that topic, everything should be written here in the content of the essay or body of the essay. So here you have to write 3 paragraphs. 3 paragraphs you have to write in 3 paragraphs. The body of the essay should be written in 3 paragraphs. First of all, about details of the topic, and in second topic, according to the topic, you have to frame these second paragraph and third paragraph. For example, if there are any advantages, you have to write in second paragraph, pros and cons, disadvantages. So like that you have to divide the content into 3 paragraphs, beautiful paragraphs. First is details of the topic, second is advantages, and third one is disadvantages of the topic if they are having. Otherwise no need. You can write a detailed account in these 3 paragraphs itself. It will be enough. Next, in the third section, you have to write a conclusion. So the conclusion is very, very important. You have to summarize the given topic. Summarize the given topic. Summarize the given topic, and you have to write the solution. If there is any problem, you have to give the solution, or as a citizen what we have to do, or what is our responsibility about the topic. Everything should be written in conclusion. So totally here this is 1 paragraph and 2, 3, 4, 5. So the essay should be written in 5 paragraphs. With proper tenses, proper verbs, you have to present the essay with a beautiful handwriting, and the paragraph should, for example, if these are lines means you have to start the paragraphs from here. From here you have to start the paragraph, and you want to write second paragraph, you have to start with So while writing here in second paragraph, you have to start from here only, don't start from here. So wherever you start in the first paragraph, the second paragraph, and in the third paragraph also, you have to start from there only, don't start from the starting. So it looks beautiful, and it is a rule of following an essay writing. Okay, hope you have understood this topic. If you have any doubts, you please call me or keep in WhatsApp group. Now you have to write an essay based on our theme, first unit theme, that is family. Okay, you have to write an assignment on the theme family and essay writing. Okay, thank you.